Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. Math is not about numbers, equations, computation. It is about understanding. William Paul Thurston. Today our topic is distance, time and speed. Speed is the rate of distance traveled per unit time. Mathematically, we can write speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. For a given distance, speed and time are inversely related. A rate is a ratio comparing two quantities with different kinds of units. In the speed, kilometers and hours are different kinds of unit that are compared. The rate for one unit of a given quantity is called a unit rate. Unit speed, uniform speed, when an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be in uniform speed. Average speed, the ratio of total distance traveled by an object to total time taken by the object with uniform speed. This is called average speed. Speed can be expressed in kilometer per hour, meter per second, meter per minute and centimeter per second. What is distance? The length of space between 2 points is known as distance. The space between 2 points is known as distance. Large distances are usually measured in kilometer, km, and small distances are measured in meter, m. There are other smaller units, decimal, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, which are used to measure the length or heights of small objects like pencils, books, erasers, etc. Conversion of distance units from larger to smaller units. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. To convert from larger to smaller units, we multiply the given number by the number of smaller units it contains. And when to convert smaller units into larger unit, it will be divided. What is time? Time can be defined as the duration of a period in which an action, process, or condition exists or continues. It is a sequence of events that occurs in succession from the past through present to future. In daily life, time is usually measured by using analog or digital clocks. There are two formats to represent time based on 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. In 12-hour clock, time from midnight to midday is written as AM or ant meridium, and time from midday to midnight is written with PM or post meridium. Units of time is hours, minutes and seconds. Look at the example. If a car traveled 200 km at the same speed for 4 hours, what is the speed of car? Solution: speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken. Distance travel already given 200 km and time is given 4 hours. This is equal to 50 km per hour. So the speed of the car is 50 km per hour. Junaid drew 100 km from point A to point B in 2 whole 1/2 hour. What is the speed for the journey? Distance already given 100 km. Time is given 2 whole 1/2 hour. Speed unknown. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance already given 100 km. Time is already given 2.5 hours. This is equal to 40 km per hour. Look at the question. Ahmed is riding a bike at a speed of 72 km per hour. Express his speed in meter per second. Solution. 72 km is equal to 72 into 1000 meter, as 1 km is equal to 1000 meter, upon or 60 into 60 second. 72 into 1000, this is equal to 72,000 upon 3600 meter per second. To divide, this is equal to 20 meter per second. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. A bus travels at a speed of 15 meter per second. Express its speed in kilometer per hour. As 15 meter is equal to 15 upon 1000 kilometer, as 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer, 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. 15 meter per second can be written as 15 upon 1000 kilometer upon 1/3600, or this is equal to 15 upon 1000 into 3600 per hour. This is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. It means that the speed of the bus is equal to 54 km per hour. Well, look at the question. A car uses 35.5 liter of petrol for a journey of 426 km. Liter and distance. How much petrol would it use for a journey of 600 km? Petrol ratio distance 35.5 liter petrol, 426 km distance. Now 600 km distance, how much petrol will be required? Here the distance is increases, petrol will also be increases. This is direct proportion or cross multiplication. X into 426 is equal to 35.5 into 600. 35.5 into 600 upon 426, this is equal to 50 liter. It means that 50 liter petrol is required to cover 600 kilometer distance. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.